Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect PayPal with the Walmart app so you can use it to pay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then, click on the gear icon on the top right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Wallet. So on this page here, scroll down and then click on Add New Payment Method. Then click on PayPal. So now it's going to prompt you to log into your PayPal account where you can go ahead and connect Walmart with the PayPal. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. Simply just follow the on-screen prompts after and you've got it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.